Hello, this is Makram Ibrahim and I'm recording this video for the CIT 365 and I'm gonna show you my Megadesk web application. Go ahead and run that. This is my Megadesk and this is how it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and add a quote. I'm gonna add my dad's name. And I'll put 5 days. The material I'm gonna choose rosewood, and the desk let's put 120, and this is 10. Then try to validate, and the C says width must be between 12 and 96. Alright, I'm gonna have this 49 now, and this 25. I will have 4, and I'll try to submit. I will get also, I have to select the material. It's kind of annoying that everything goes back to 0. I tried to find a way, but it restart everything. I'll put here 25 again and 3 drawers. I'm gonna submit that, and let's go to the second one. And here is my dad, and he got 5 rush days, 45, the desk width, and the depth is 25. The score 3, and this is the quote price, 925. I'm gonna update that, and I'm gonna add here 85. I'm gonna have a huge desk, and 45. I'll have 6 drawers, and this time I have veneer, and submit that, and go. And this is 3,450. This is the price code that he got, and I'm not sure if I put the dates. I think I forgot to put the rush dates. Let's update that again, and I'm going to put 3 interior veneer, and let's have 6. Submit the change. So the rush day is 385, the desk width, and 45 is the depth, and it is 3,520 his price quote. I'm gonna delete this one. I'm gonna get a nice form saying that this is what you are going to delete. Yes, and if I go, it is gone. I'm gonna go to home, for example. Yeah, here I can search. I can view quote, search quote. I'm gonna go and search. I'm gonna search for all the quotes for Elon, my son, and I get everything belonging to Elon. I'm gonna search for Virginia. I got Virginia's my wife, and sort code 690. This is very much this quote, the Megadesk, and thank you very much.